Hi everyone. Here we are starting with the searching methodologies in Java, and in this video I'm going to cover about a searching technique called as linear search. Um, so as you know, Java has so many built-in methods. Likewise, we may have two different um, operations or functionalities named as searching and sorting of a set of elements. So, one example of sorting, it may include ordering the elements of the array or in any group having similar type of more than one element so that the names are in alphabetical order. Either you can make the sorting based on ascending or in the descending order. And I can give you another example. You may want to order the elements of an array according to the zip code before printing a set of mailing labels. So, based on zip code ordering, you want to arrange the mailing labels. Um, and our searching methodologies is something we want to search a single element or data inside a set of data or set of elements. So, that is our searching technique, but there can be more than one searching techniques. And here in this video I'm going to show you what is the linear searching technique, which is the most easiest searching technique. Okay, so to start with that, we must first know what is linear search. So the linear search is something, it's a process or an algorithm. So algorithm is nothing but a set of steps performing a certain task or operation of certain kind. So this algorithm, linear search algorithm, is a sequence of steps for accomplishing a task. And the linear search is a search algorithm that starts from the beginning of a list and checks each element until the search key or the element that we are searching for is found or at the end of the list is reached. Let me take you through this linear search technique here to this example. In this activity, we are using the set of elements as 6, 24, 16, 14, 5, 32, 63, and 2. And see one thing, if you want to, um, after seeing this process, how the linear searching is done, if you want to implement in variety of steps, how the searching is done actually or completed actually. So to do that, we must first learn to learn the technique how to perform a basic linear search. So let me first start the activity. So here 14 is first matched with 6. So as it's not equal, now it goes to the next element 24. Now it's not equal. Then again it's checked with 16, not equal. Then it goes to the next element at index 3, which is our same element that we are looking for. So as there is a matching done. So in that case, it doesn't have to go further in the list to the next elements, and there it will just return the search key found at index 3, and it will return at what position or index the element is actually residing. So this is the basic linear search algorithm or technique. Now, if you want to implement all these steps through an algorithm or a program, so how to do that? So we are going to use the Java syntaxes, functions concepts, arrays concept, and let's see how to implement this algorithm. Okay, so here I have some portion of the code already. Okay, so this is our class name. In the package searching sorting, I have created this class linear search one. Then importing the java.util.scanner for implementing the scanner functions, input output functions. So now I need to write a method here. So before that, let's first start with our main function. In the main function, we have the scanner statement for the system input output functions. Then we are creating one numbers array with all the set of elements. So in between all the elements, we want to search a particular element. Now I is a variable, key is a variable, key index is a variable. Now next, when I run the code, what does it display? So first numbers is printed and one for loop has been created for printing all the numbers in the array which was created earlier. Here it is. Done with this. Now enter a value. So what is this value? This value is nothing but the key element that we are searching for in the algorithm. That is what our linear search is. Suppose say I will enter 10. Okay, so now if I enter, see it's not returning the position in which 10 is currently positioned or residing. So it should be 0, 1, 2, 3. So how the 3 will be returned here? For that, we need to write certain statements. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a function for our linear search. It's not an inbuilt function because it has to be one user defined function. So let me clear it out, the output. Okay, so I have used the key index where I want to find out the key index. The key index will be returned from the linear search function, and here I want to enter the array name, that is numbers, and the key element which we are looking for. Okay, now this function, it needs to be defined somewhere. Okay, so to do that, I'm taking it to the beginning here. Okay, so here, this is the method that we are going to call. Here we are supposed to write our definition. I will change the return statement later. So before that, let me just try to enter some statements here. So we are passing the array. So the formal argument has to be integer type of array, numbers, and the key element that we are looking for, integer type. So let's start with our definition, int I. Then this is the index that we are looking for to search inside the array. And I should start from 0, I less than, here what I want, the I should continue as long as it's inside the length of the array. Um, okay, it has to be numbers, NUMBAs. Okay, now the counter to be incremented. Okay, so within that, it will check if you remember the methodology, if um, each number starting with the position 0, I equals to 0, if numbers of I, the element at position, first position, or that is the 0 position, is equals to the key. Key is what? The key that we are searching for, which we will enter in here through this statement. So if it will be equal to key, then it has to return the index for the matching value. Okay, this is our statement. It should be good to find the index that we are looking for. And let's say if this condition, if condition is not true, then in that case what will happen, it will return -1. Okay, now what I'm going to do, so after it's done with the definition, it will come back here, and by that time it must have found out the key index. And now here it will check um, if the key index that we are looking for is equal to -1. Let's say we couldn't find the index that we are looking for, then it should print the key that we found, sorry, that we are looking for was not found, because we couldn't find a match there. Now in the else part, let's say if we found the match, then sum dot out dot println should display found a key that we are looking for at which index now, at index key, should be index capital index, yeah. So think it should do our work. Let me save it. Okay. Okay, so here first it will display all the values. Now let's say I want to find key value 10. Okay, so let's just enter a space here. So 10, suppose. Oh, found space the key 10 at index, again a space, let's put in a colon. Yeah, found 10 the key value at the index 3. Yes, because 0, 1, 2, 3, here is the index 10, that the key value that we are looking for. So this is our basic linear search methodology. Okay, hope you understood and you enjoyed this video.